Welcome back. Here's a quick video to show you how to use a different template when you're using a Google Doc. So all you'll have to do is go into your Google Drive, click New, and then instead of clicking Google Docs, if you click the arrow, it'll highlight it here. You can click From a Template. And depending on your, domain or whoever you are a part of, see for me, I'm with York Region District School Board. There really isn't much there for us to use, but in the general one there's quite a few here to use. So if you want to do something different, if you're doing an essay, you want it to look better, pick a template and just use it. There are many more, letters, resumes, and so on. I'll let you browse through them. But if you wanted to do, say, a report, click it. It'll load up for a couple seconds, and then you're ready to go. So this is what it will look like when it's all loaded up on your account here. So you can just see that there's a picture here already for you. You can replace it and so on and so forth. This is a very simple one. You can browse through all the other ones. I'm sure you'll find something that'll suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.